I'm off to a bit of a later start tonight than I usually like to be, but got to get it in, so going to get this workout done and go on have a feed. Actually, I wasn't counting then, so I don't know how many I did, but I'm just going to do a few on this side and keep on cracking on. I'm working with limited space at the moment, so go with what we got. I think there's enough room here to do a few of these. A few of these bad boys. Oh, I hit my head on the roof. Going too far out here. Light weights can still give you a bit of a burn, that's for sure. Tweaked my elbow a little bit there. Oh. See, I'll do some of these. I don't hit my head. Oh, it's a bit of a struggle. That's why I'm building them up, because they're not that strong at the moment, these legs. I wouldn't say I'm feeling that strong in general, to be fair. That's the point of it, I suppose, eh? Have a crack. Just might do another little set of all this and then wrap it up for the night. I tweaked my shoulder a bit there. I don't know what I did to it, but it feels a bit off now. Probably should have warmed up more. Thinking about giving it a miss, eh? Don't really want to, but Don't really feel like keeping on going either, that's the thing. A bit sore and tired. Wanted to get over here and do something though, you know. Well, I've just sat there for a few minutes and my shoulder's actually not feeling too bad, so I might keep going. Give these shoulder exercises a go. I'm not sure if this is going to be too much, this band for it. Oh, could be. Yeah, I don't know, this band might be a bit too much. Oh, I'll just do small ones maybe today. I reckon that'll do those for the day. Don't want to overdo them. So, I feel like I'm completely doing this wrong. It feels quite weird, but getting a burn on though. Might do it with both arms. Feels, I don't know, feels a bit weird, but feels good, but just uncoordinated, you know. But anyway, I reckon I'll give it a miss today at that. Wrap it up at that for the day. I've got to cook dinner still. This is never going to go back the way it was either, is it?